I advised the Governor General to make the declaration on the recommendation of the Chief of Defense Staff and the Commissioner of Police. It is the assessment of the security forces that the situation in St. James merits this response and the use of emergency, powers. I'm sure that that is not in debate. Yesterday, the Parliament rose in unison to condemn the barbaric murder of innocent lives, young children who had their entire future ahead of them. And for all parents, it must be a consideration in your mind that it could have been your children. And so we take this moment as we declare our response to grieve with the families and to encircle them and surround them with our prayers for comfort at this time. But we also give resolute assurance to the people of Jamaica that we will not wilt, we will not resile in the face of terror.